I do have some memories of life in Vietnam. Got by, we didn't have a lot of money back then since it was just my mom raising us and some other family members. It was just me and my 4 siblings, my 2 sisters and my 2 brothers. And even then they weren't always there. And our house, we didn't have much. We just stayed with each other until we got to America where I think my dad brought us here.
The Montagnards are from the Central Highlands of the nation of Vietnam. They're the indigenous peoples of the Central Highlands. They lived there for hundreds and hundreds of years in relative isolation. When the French came in, they found that land was very good for growing coffee and tea. So they started going up and building, making plantations and getting the Montagnards to work the plantations and to do other things like building roads. In 1986, the first Montagnards came to North Carolina, about 200 in all, and we resettled in Charlotte, Raleigh, and Greensboro. There are more Montagnard people living in North Carolina than any other place in the world outside of Vietnam. Fall of 2014, we had a group of about a dozen students and me come to Brookstone.
When I came to Brookstone, it was a little bit different because it was a smaller class with 1 class per grade. I was able to get close to the classmates and they were really good friends. Our relationship with the teacher was also good. We were able to go to them for help when we needed to. And if we asked them questions about what future high schools that we wanted to go to, they would help us with that. When I went to Brookstone, it strengthened my faith, actually. It just helped me know more about God, helped me connect with Him and along with other people that also knew Him. Just helped me learn more about Him and how to ask Him for help, how to just believe in Him and talk to Him. Throughout the years, we also had plays during our time at Brookstone, and I was able to help out. I was able to play a part in a few of them, but most of the time I got to help with the art, all the background, all the decorations, all that stuff. It was really fun. But the thing I really want to do and focus on in college is digital media and digital animation. I'm in a program at UNCC called Charlotte Engineering Early College. I'm staying there for 5 years and graduate with 2 years of college credit.
Their potential is amazing. I can't wait to see what the next generation is going to look like.
Brookstone has been a big impact on my life, and so have Mr. Steve and his wife. And if I hadn't really met them, or if I hadn't met them, I wouldn't be able to go to Brookstone, and I wouldn't have learned all the things that I've done, all the people I have met. I wouldn't have been able to do that without them. Thank you, Brookstone, for everything you've done for me. You've been a big impact on my life. You helped me learn a lot through the past few years, and thank you for just being in my life. It's been a great help with where I am now.